Alright, so you've got some cash sitting pretty in your Monese account, and you're thinking, cool, but I need this money in my regular bank account, like yesterday. Right? I mean, who hasn't been there? Monese is great for a lot of things, but sometimes you just need that good old-fashioned traditional bank account. So, let's dive into how to get your money out of Monese and into your main bank. Now, I know what you're thinking, it should be simple, right? Well, it kinda is, but there are a few things you need to know to make sure it goes smoothly. Because let's face it, dealing with money can be stressful, and we want to avoid any unnecessary headaches. First things first, let's talk about why you might want to transfer money from Monese to your main bank. Maybe you need to pay a big bill, save up for something, or simply prefer to manage your money in one place. Whatever your reason, it's important to understand the process. So, here's the deal. There are generally two main ways to transfer money from Monese to another bank, the classic bank transfer and the good old-fashioned ATM withdrawal. Let's break down each method. Bank transfer. This is usually the quickest and easiest way to move your money. Most banks offer online or mobile banking, making it super convenient. All you need is your Monese account details and the account number and sort code, or equivalent, of your main bank account. Here's a general idea of what you'll do. Log into your Monese app. Find the option to transfer money. Enter the details of your main bank account. Specify the amount you want to transfer. Confirm the transfer. It's important to note that transfer times can vary depending on the banks involved. Some transfers might be instant, while others can take a couple of business days. ATM withdrawal. If you need cash in hand right away, withdrawing money from your Monese card at an ATM is a viable option. Just keep in mind that there might be fees involved, so it's best to check with Monese and your ATM provider beforehand. Here's the basic process. Find an ATM that accepts your Monese card. Insert your card and enter your PIN. Select the withdrawal amount. Grab your cash and receipt. Important considerations. Before you hit that transfer button or withdraw your cash, there are a few things to keep in mind. Transfer limits. Monese might have limits on how much you can transfer at once. Check their terms and conditions for the exact details. Fees. Some banks or ATMs might charge fees for transfers or withdrawals. Be aware of these costs to avoid surprises. Exchange rates. If you're dealing with different currencies, make sure you understand the exchange rates. You don't want to lose out on money. Security. Always prioritize security. Make sure you're transferring money to the correct account and using strong passwords. Now, while I've given you a general overview, it's essential to check the specific details on the Monese website or app. Things can change, and you want to make sure you have the most up-to-date information. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy transferring.